Hi, I'm Amulek.
And I'm Sarah. Welcome back to Vego Garden. Today we're going to be installing a gopher net under one of our modular raised garden beds.
Now, gopher nets are primarily used to keep out gophers, but they can keep out other small critters as well, from burrowing in under and entering the garden.
This is our 17-inch tall 4-in-1 garden bed model in modern gray. We've arranged this in the 3.5 by 3.5 configuration. On vegogarden.com, you can find gopher nets for many of the configurations of your garden bed, so figure out how you want to build your bed first and then choose the corresponding gopher net that will go underneath. Should we get started?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Can you open this for me?
Yes.
So once you have your gopher net out of the box, it's pretty easy to install. You'll just unroll it. Make sure that your ground is level underneath your garden bed's placement. Your gopher net will come with stainless steel pins to keep it in the ground. So I think we're ready to get started.
Absolutely.
All right.
Okay.
You have a trick, don't you, to keep this pinned to the ground for easier install?
Oh yeah.
A mallet.
Easy tool to help you out, so that way you don't hurt your hands. So the gopher net is actually wrapped in this smaller wire to keep it still inside the box, and that way it doesn't unravel as soon as you open it. So we're gonna get this off here.
So the gopher nets have a 3-inch perimeter wider than the dimensions of your garden bed. So once you decide where you're gonna place your bed, know that your gopher net will extend 3 inches from the edge, and you can cover that with mulch or dirt or whatever your ground cover is gonna be around the outside of the bed. So we're gonna place this here, even with this row of beds, so we should be able to just roll this out.
Yep. And we are going to start by pinning down one side of the net so we can easily unravel it and get the other side. Thank you.
That goes in pretty easy.
It sure does. And as you do this, you want to make sure that it is level with the ground. So an even ground makes for a very good gopher net install. Just a bit. Okay.
And then we can just roll this open. You gotta get a little pull behind this. Probably best to do this with a buddy.
It is very sturdy.
It's pretty high gauge wire to really help prevent critters from digging up inside your garden bed and ruining your harvest. All right, should we staple?
Sure. I'm not really sure. Just gonna go with that configuration.
At the end of the gopher net, it's just a little sharp. So if you want to wear protective handwear, that would be wise. All right, so right on the edge, right?
You can shove it in with your hand first a little bit and then just, yeah.
Once your gopher net is stapled into the ground, you can just tilt your garden bed back down over it and get planting.
Yep.
Right, so you're all ready to fill your garden bed and plant. Thank you for tuning in, and happy gardening.